The final experiment. Is the sun visible for 24 hours in Antarctica? What does it mean if it is? What does it mean if it is not? Here is a map of the flat Earth showing the Tropic of Cancer, the small white circle, the equator, the white circle in the middle, and the Tropic of Capricorn, the large white circle. The tropics are the smallest and largest paths the sun travels over the flat Earth. Now for this video, in order to fit all the illustrations, the map has been rotated so that north is to the left instead of the usual straight up. Participants in the final experiment will be making their observations of the sun at Union Glacier Camp in Antarctica, located at 79 degrees 46 minutes south, 82 degrees 52 minutes west on December 14, 2024. The final experiment participants will observe the sun for 24 hours to see, once and for all, if it is visible for 24 hours as predicted by the globe Earth model, or not visible for 24 hours as predicted by the flat Earth model. During summer in the Southern Hemisphere, according to the flat Earth model, the sun travels over the Tropic of Capricorn. For observers in Union Glacier Camp, here is the sun at midnight on the flat Earth, to the north, on the far side of the flat Earth. Remember, to the north at midnight. 6 a.m. to the northeast, noon to the north, 6 p.m. to the northwest. Now this is the farthest to the east the sun can be observed from Union Glacier Camp on a flat Earth. And this is the farthest west and the total range the sun can be observed from Union Glacier Camp on a flat Earth. If the sun is visible for 24 hours, this is what is observed from Union Glacier Camp on a flat Earth. But is the sun visible for 24 hours anywhere else on a flat Earth as it travels a complete 24-hour path? Let's ask some YouTube flat Earth experts. Let's check the sun in the morning, the evening, and the afternoon of December 14th in New York, Westchester County, with the help of YouTube flat Earth expert C.C. Now, C.C.'s wife has looked up this information for us from timeanddate.com. We see that in New York, Westchester County, the sun is not visible until 7:12 a.m., and will be seen at a compass heading of 121 degrees east-southeast, and will not be visible after 4:26 p.m. at a compass heading of 239 degrees west-southwest. Let's go to the map. Now here's an illustration of the sun's positions on a flat Earth at the sunrise and sunset times in New York, Westchester County. Now let's add the compass headings with the help of C.C.'s wife with an overlay from suncalc.com. Whoa, what happened, C.C.? Why is the sun in different places? C.C., can you and your wife watch the sunrise and sunset on December 14th and tell us which of these are the correct locations? Maybe we can get some help from another YouTube Flat Earth expert in Phuket, Thailand. Nick, otherwise known to Flat Earth researchers, debaters, and debunkers as Phuket Word, won't see the sun on December 14th from Phuket, Thailand, according to timeanddate.com, until 6:30 a.m. at a compass heading of 113 degrees east-southeast, and will not see the sun after 6:11 p.m. at a compass heading of 247 degrees west-southwest. Let's go to the map. And here's an illustration of the sun's positions on a flat Earth at the sunrise and sunset times in Phuket, Thailand. Now let's add the compass headings with an overlay from suncalc.com. And once again, things don't add up. What happened, Nick? Why is the sun in different places? Nick, can you watch the sunrise and sunset on December 14th and tell us which of these are the correct locations? Oh yeah, Nick, I won't block your comments. Now let's see what timeanddate.com has to say about Union Glacier Camp. Well, look at that. Timeanddate.com agrees with the globe Earth model. No sunrise or sunset. Union Glacier Camp has a midnight sun in December. According to Wikipedia, the midnight sun is a natural phenomenon that occurs in the summer months in places north of the Arctic Circle or south of the Antarctic Circle, when the sun remains visible at the local midnight. When midnight sun is seen in the Arctic, the sun appears to move from left to right. In Antarctica, the equivalent apparent motion is from right to left. Let's go to the map. Now here is an illustration of the sun's positions over a flat Earth as seen from Union Glacier Camp. Will the final experiment observers only see the sun in this small arc to the north? Can observers see the sun at its farthest north position even though it's not visible at other places on the flat Earth? How does that work? Now let's add a new path for the sun. According to the globe Earth model, the sun should be visible in a 360-degree circle around Union Glacier Camp. This is where the sun should be at midnight, and already we have a problem. This path is larger than the flat Earth and nowhere near the Tropic of Capricorn. And here's the sun at 6 a.m. Remember, in Antarctica, the apparent motion of the sun is from right to left, The sun's moving in the wrong direction, according to the flat Earth model. Here's noon and 6 p.m. A 24-hour sun, as described in the globe Earth model, just does not work on a flat Earth model. So now let's look at the observed position of the sun from Union Glacier Camp according to the globe Earth model. At noon, the sun is seen to the north. Remember, the sun at midnight on a flat Earth is to the north. The sun is to the west at 6 p.m. Remember, in Antarctica, the apparent motion is from right to left. Here's midnight to the south and 6 a.m. This is the 24-hour sun as observed from Union Glacier Camp on December 14th as predicted by the globe Earth model. If the final experiment observers see a 24-hour sun on December 14th, will they only see it in a small arc to the north? If the final experiment observers don't see a 24-hour sun on December 14th, will they only see it in a small arc to the north? Or will they see it in a complete circle around Union Glacier Camp? A 24-hour sun in Antarctica can mean only one thing. We live on a globe. For more information on the final experiment, visit the-final-experiment.com. Participants will be at Union Glacier Camp, located at 79 degrees 46 minutes south, 82 degrees 52 minutes west, and is a 4.5-hour flight from Punta Arenas, Chile. Participants will be flying to Antarctica with a company called Antarctic Logistics and Expeditions. They've been taking tourists to Antarctica since 1987. Their website is antarctic-logistics.com.